Here's how you draw a realistic water drop. Using the side of a soft pencil, very lightly shade your paper. This is because you want the background to be darker than your highlights. Now take a paper towel or a smudge stick and blend it all into the paper. You don't want to see any lines in your background. Now grab an eraser and outline where you want your water drop to be. You don't need to erase the middle. Now erase the bottom of the water drop. This is going to be the opposite position of where the light source is. I'm erasing the bottom right, which means the light source will be in the top left. Now erase your highlight. It's the top left. It should be a little bit smaller. Now with your pencil, you're going to color in the top left. It's going to be darker than this, but just do it lightly at first, just to make sure you know where you're going to be coloring. Time for the shadow. The shadow will be on the bottom right. I'm going to start with an outline. Your shadow is not going to be all one color. In fact, it's going to be quite bright at the bottom left, closest to the water drop. So just draw your shadow on both sides. You're going to have a hard edge on your shadow on the sides and a soft edge on the bottom. For the harder edges, you're going to use the tip of your pencil and press down a little more. I'm using a Staedtler Mars Lumograph Black 2B pencil, but any soft pencil will do. Notice that I'm leaving part of the shadow uncolored. This will look like the light is reflecting through the water and onto the paper. Keep going over your lines until it gets darker. Now make the top side a little bit darker so that it's more or less the same darkness as your shadow. Fill in the area between the darkest part and the lightest part with a mid-tone. Again, you're using the side of your pencil here. Now grab your smudging stick and blend the whole thing together. I'm going to grab my blending stick and make the background a little bit darker so the water stands out even more. For more art tips and tutorials, please do follow, like, comment, and share, and consider subscribing.